What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the British Airways A350-1000 by GeminiJets. Pretty excited to have this model, adding to my building up my BA fleet. So yeah, just a GeminiJets model. Their mold is, it's alright. I've seen, various videos, the A350 mold. It's not terrible. It could be a little bit better, but I don't know when NG is going to release a 1000 variant of this. I'm sure soon because they've got the mold now. So yeah, I got this one. Yeah, will NG probably release it, and I probably want that one, sure, but I think I'll just stick with this one for now. Anyways, let's get right on into it. So here's the box, good old GeminiJets box. It's 2022 release. I forget which month. It was pretty recent. There you go. Some specs and stuff. So it looks pretty good. Pretty excited for this one. So there's a little bit of dust on the box. Alright, let's open it up. There's the model. Just in the box. Display it. Alright. Open her up and hope for the best with this model. Hopefully nothing's broken. Alrighty. Here we go. Alright, so far so good. Okay, all looks good. Alright. I'll do it, guys. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. No, yeah, I know it's GeminiJets, and it's kind of hit or miss whether some of their models are broken or not. But this one is not, and I'm pretty happy. All right, so let's get on into the details. I'll zoom on in here to the front. So we have the nose. I think NG's definitely got the better mold when it comes to the A350, like the nose area and whatnot. But this is all right. Windows are looking alright there, sort of raccoon look. Looks okay there. Some other good details around the front though, like static ports, etc., etc. Peter tube like areas and whatnot. Got the L1 door there with some nice little details. You got a little One World sticker there, and I can't tell what that other one is, but yeah. British Airways titles, little crown. So the emblem there, it's pretty nice. L2 door. Rolls-Royce Trent 1000. Let's see, what are the actual engines? XWB, that's right, 92. Trent XWB is 90 or 97s. Looking pretty good. They're kind of hollow. Not the greatest detail in there. Could be a little bit better, but that's okay. Overall, they look pretty good. Not too bad at all. It's got the antennas at the top up here. Moving along, you got the other ones. And you got the box, the Wi-Fi antenna at the back. Little antennas. Wings looking pretty good, not too flexed. The good details there on the wing tips and the winglets here, if it'll focus. You can kind of see it on the inside there. It's the same on the outside, looking really nice. And then at the back, registration G-XWBB, so Golf-X-Ray Whiskey Bravo Bravo. And then you have the L4 door there at the back. You got the tail with Whiskey Bravo Bravo on the top up there. Looking really nice. Kind of take a look at it from behind. We'll take a look at it from the front. I'll spin around. There we go. Not bad. I think the NG mold is better and whatnot, but just to get a 350 in the collection now and whatnot, I just decided to pick this GeminiJets version up. So here we have it. Forward, the cargo compartment there, some other good details. And then you just moving along, we got the aft cargo compartment there. Oh, and I guess the bulk bin is on this side. Yes, so the bulk bin door is actually on this side right underneath the registration there. So yeah, anyways, that's it's pretty basic model, nothing much more to go over with that. We'll show you the underneath and top down view. So there's the top, nothing. You can see all the little markings for like the beacon, etc. And the bottom, the same thing. Nothing crazy, just the registration there on the wing. So, a nice model. The mold is decent. It's just the front there, the nose shape. I think NG's is a little bit more accurate, a little bit better. But overall, it's a solid model. It's not broken, so that's obviously a bonus. And yeah. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hope you've enjoyed. And stay tuned for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content like spotting, etc. And like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.